flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alamo, Bus Highway 93 between mile markers 33 and 41 near Alamo, and State Route 375 between mile markers 33 and 40. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Radar kind of go like, okay, you read this and then someone's gonna, I mean, it was really starting from scratch.
The process took 7 months. The toughest casting call was the lead because Jose appears in
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Lincoln County in south central Nevada until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Alamo. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alamo, Bus Highway 93 between mile markers 33 and 41 near Alamo, and State Route 375 between mile markers 33 and 40. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.